What if the idea in your mind could become the next breakthrough innovation? That's the vision behind the AICTE-approved IDEA Lab. With the newly inaugurated AICTE IDEA Lab at KIET Deemed to be University, students now have access to a dedicated innovation space where ideas can be transformed into real-world prototypes and industry-ready solutions. Established with the support of AICTE, Government of India, and strengthened through collaborations with NASSCOM as the training and skilling partner, the lab is designed to foster creativity, innovation, and hands-on learning. Here, students can explore advanced technologies including CAD-based 3D design, CNC machining, laser cutting and engraving, PCB design and fabrication, Python programming, and rapid prototyping. The vision behind establishing this lab is to empower students to transform innovative ideas into practical prototypes, products, and future-ready solutions. The innovators, creators, entrepreneurs, and technology leaders of tomorrow will be nurtured here. At KIET, we're not just providing an innovation hub, we're creating a launchpad for innovation. KIET Deemed to be University, empowering minds, enabling skills.